Welcome back. Today we are learning how to find the equation of a line when you are given a slope and a single point. Specifically, we want the equation of a line that has a slope of 6 and passes through the point 2, 5. Written in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The most reliable method to solve this is using the point-slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. All we need to do is substitute our slope for m, our x-coordinate for x, and our y-coordinate for y1. Step 1. Identify your values. In our ordered pair 2, 5, the x-coordinate x1 is 2, and the y-coordinate y1 is 5. The slope m is 6. Plugging these into the formula gives us y minus 5 equals 6 times x minus 2. Step 2. Clear the parentheses on the right side using the distributive property. Multiply 6 by x to get 6x, and 6 by negative 2 to get negative 12. Our equation now becomes y minus 5 equals 6x minus 12. Step 3. Now we isolate y to put it into y equals mx plus b format. To eliminate the minus 5 on the left, we add 5 to both sides of the equation. Step 4. Be careful with your integer arithmetic. Negative 12 plus 5 equals negative 7. Putting it all together gives us y equals 6x minus 7. That is the exact equation of our line in slope-intercept form.